Hi, this is Paige from the Tippecanoe County Extension Office, and I am doing a how-to video for registering for fair entry. You'll go to fairentry.com and we're going to go to Find Your Fair. You can either search by your county or you can search by your state. I'm going to search by county at this one and it'll pop up our fair. And you are going to log in with your 4-H online information. And as you can see on the screen, the registration dates are from the 19th of May to June 28th. June 28th of 2024 is the last day that you can register for your exhibits to be shown at fair. I'm just logging in right now with my credentials for 4-H online. And you can see your screen will pop up and show register an exhibitor. I had already started the process for Raylan. So when you do your register for exhibitor, it's going to pop up all of your information. So you're going to want to verify that the date of birth and name is correct, your email and phone number is correct, and your address is correct. And it'll take you through the step-by-step process. You will want to hit to continue to entries, and this is an important part. You'll hit add entry and it'll pull up all of the projects that we offer for the county. And Raylan is only in mini 4-H, so it will pull everything up, but I truly can only register her for a mini project. The project you are registered for on 4-H online, you would be able to select if you're showing cattle, you would do beef, select, and then you would be able to choose what animal or category you're showing. You can see as a perfect example, because she is not registered for that, she cannot see anything past that point. For our state projects, we'll break down everything that is state fair eligible for the most part, with the exception of our arts and crafts, which is under county only. You'll see all of our projects for state. Kind of go through it slowly. Most of them are broke down by grades like 3 through 5, beginner, intermediate, advanced. Woodworking is just a little bit different. It's grades 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 through 9, and 10 through 12. We're going to hit cancel out of that. And then you can see for our county only projects, your arts and crafts are in here. So your baskets, painting and drawing, which is fine arts and 4-H online, models, miscellaneous craft. So that is where you will go to enter in those projects. I'm going to go back and I'm going to choose, we're going to go to county only for mini 4-H. And she is going to do, we'll put her as arts and crafts sewing. You're going to pick the grade she just finished. So she just finished grade 1. Continue. And you'll select the club. This is not mandatory for the manual or copy of your exhibit. Then we're going to add another entry because she is also going to show a livestock. So we're going to go back to the main division, and we're going to go to mini 4-H livestock, and she's choosing a rabbit. We're going to do first grade. Pick the club again. And it does ask the question of who your mentor is. So if you are showing a mini livestock, you should have a 4-H'er that is helping you get ready to show at fair for the mini livestock. If you do not have a mentor, I would reach out to your mini livestock superintendent, and she will be able to help you find a mentor or talk to the superintendent of the project to get that for you. And I'm just going to put this for right now. If you have multiple family members, you will want to hit register another exhibitor before you continue to the payment option. If you hit continue payment or submit one child, you will not be able to add any more children until someone at the office has approved that invoice. So if you have 2 or 3, make sure you just continue registering another exhibitor before going into the end. So for Raylan, she's the only one that I have. So I'm going to go continue to payment. We don't charge anything. Hit continue. And then I'm going to hit submit. So now I have to wait until I get approved by someone in the office. You can visit the dashboard. You can see that my invoice is currently submitted. You can see the details of what you submitted, and then sign out. Once your records are approved, you'll be able to see your exhibitor, your entries, and things like that. If you do have questions about a project that you're showing, or if you get flagged that you don't see that you're allowed to register for that project, you do need to call into the office, and we can figure out maybe what is going on and why it didn't flag it. Also, if you notice something's wrong, phone number, address, date of birth, we need to get that adjusted as well. And you also could have switched clubs midway through. If you are unable to make that adjustment, we can make that adjustment here for you in the office. Again, the website is fairentry.com. And I'm going to show you the other option too, is if you don't want to search by Tippecanoe. Like I said, you can go to this state and scroll all the way until you find the Tippecanoe County Fair, and you'll see that you can sign in. And again, just a reminder that you do want to have your 4-H online information to log in with, and the deadline is June 28th. Anything after that, we can't accept. So if you have questions, please feel free to call the office. The number is 765-474-0793, or you can send us an email. Always come into the office too if you have any questions or have issues with registering. And we also encourage using a laptop, an iPad, a computer versus a phone, because you aren't going to be able to see everything on your phone screen that you would be able to on something with a larger surface area. So if you have any questions, again, just feel free to give us a call. Thank you.